have been the worst vlogger in all history this entire weekend. Look at this bag sitting right in front of me. Are you kidding me? It's so cute.
I've still got your number saved in my phone. I only ever think of it when I'm alone. I can't seem to read between your lines. Do you wanna see me or just pass the time? I've still got your place saved in my maps. I keep it for a rainy day when I relapse. Emotionally available in my dreams. I'm boarding down for anything. I'm in my right mind less than half of the time. I can be a punching bag. Listen to your white lies and pretend it's alright. Oh, don't be such a drag. Left my hydro flask in the back of your car. I'd like to have it back, but you live so far. Can I come and grab it later today? Can I stick around? I drove all this way. Did you mean it when you said you're leaving? 'Cause I can't believe it wasn't in my head. In my right mind less than half of the time. I can be a punching bag. Listen to your white lies and pretend it's alright. Oh, don't be such a drag.
Hello vlog. I just got back from the beach. I showered. I got a little bit of sunburn. Oh my god. Yeah, got a little bit, teensy bit of sunburn, and it's literally just one line across my chest. So that's always fun, but I don't have a base tan yet. So like, I guess it was bound to happen even though I put on 70 every 30 minutes. I can't tell if I have sunburn on the back of my like Achilles or not, but it hurts. But I actually think I just like scraped myself on that like crunchy, gross seaweed. I feel like it's been so long since I've even talked to you. It's been such a journey, Florida. It's been like running around crazy. Oh, also this morning I got cinnamon in my eye and it's still there. So I'm waiting until I have a mental breakdown cry session for it to fall out because it's just not, it just doesn't come out. We actually already leave tomorrow night, but I have been here for quite some time. And I just, in the vlogs, it somewhat doesn't seem like it. I got here on last Thursday. Today is Wednesday, so I've been here for 6 days already. Then tomorrow night I leave, so I still have a full day tomorrow, and that's gonna be fun and that's gonna be great. Then we go to North Carolina, so I'm gonna vlog in North Carolina because I feel like I really didn't scratch the itch of, first of all, my eye, and I didn't scratch the itch of like vlogging. I don't know why. There was like really no time. I actually don't even want to lie and say there was no time. There was definitely time, but when there was time, instead of yapping away, I decided to either sleep or go to the beach or lay by the pool, or we were driving for like 4 hours a day to different places over the weekend. So I finally feel settled in, and it's Wednesday, and now we're gonna leave again tomorrow. It's actually spring break here, so it really worked out in like the best way possible. I'm gonna try to post what other states I'm gonna go in on Instagram, probably in like a story or something. So if you're not following me on Instagram, come to one of these things. I feel like that would be really fun. Let me go try to flush my eye out again, because now at this point it's been in my eye for 6 hours and it's actually bothering me that it's still there. So seems like every time I talk to you guys, I have a towel on my head, forgetting to vlog. And I think I'm forgetting to vlog because I know at this moment vlogs are less-ish important to you. So please let me know in the comments, like, genuinely, if you like vlogs, give this video a thumbs up, or give any of the vlogs that I've posted thus far a thumbs up, because it really will let me know. But it was a really busy week and a really fun week anyway, and tonight we are flying to Raleigh, North Carolina, and I actually am going to fully vlog there because North Carolina is always a fever dream. It's going to be this time too. Stay tuned for North Carolina vlogs, and don't worry, I will be back in Florida eventually, and hopefully just like for a fun, nice vacation and to relax a little bit. Subscribe down below, and I will see you in my next video, where I will be either in North Carolina or I will be posting something else that fell in between of that. Subscribe and you'll find out. Bye.